Can pepper really jump away from soap? Let's find out.
We just need water, pepper, and a little dish soap.
I'll dip my finger into the soap. Wow!
Look, the pepper rushes to the edges instantly. That happens because soap breaks the water's surface tension. Water has an invisible skin. Soap snaps it, and the pepper rides the wave.
It looks like magic, but it's science.
Subscribe for more fun science you can try at home with a grown-up.